Hi there, my name is Sam and we're at Accountex London here today and we're being joined by one of our current clients, Kudzi, who is the director at Blue Hectare. How are you doing, Kudzi, and how's the event been for you so far?
Doing good. This is my first time here and the event has been really good.
It's been great to meet accountants, different bookkeepers in the industry, and it's a massive exhibition hall. There's so much going on here.
Yeah, it's so busy. I didn't realize the extent or the scale of the event until I got here today. So it's been really good.
Definitely one of the bigger ones in the UK for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
So you're a current user of TaxDome, Kudzi. How long have you been with us for?
We've been using TaxDome for just under a year now. So we're coming to our first anniversary.
And tell us more about your journey before TaxDome. What practice management solution were you using, if any, and what prompted you to make that change?
Yeah, so before we used TaxDome, we were using Accountex Manager. I think it's called Bright Manager now. But back then, which was good, I think, for the size of our firm. But when our firm started to grow a little bit, we started having some what I call teething issues, mainly around workflow management and just making sure that there's good visibility around what's going in the practice. And I think that's when we decided to go out in the market and to start to shop around to see what other systems we could use in the market. Yeah.
So let's focus on that workflow aspect. What are some of the biggest differences you see between Bright Manager and TaxDome?
I think the biggest is automation. So we find that within the pipelines, as we call them in TaxDome, you can automate as many things as possible. So from sending emails, from requesting documents or requesting anything from the clients, you can also automate who is going to be doing the task, which is a huge amount of flexibility, I think, for our practice, especially for some of our bespoke services that we give. It helps us to do that. Not only can you also automate even sending invoices, and sometimes you can also automate proposals, or depending what type of service we're doing with the client.
So the main takeaway is there's lots of many different actions that you're able to automate.
Yes.
From the invoices, letters of engagement, task creation, automation, client communication. There's also functionalities that help you to manage different client types within the same flow. For example, the conditional logic functionality.
Yes.
Is that a functionality that you benefit from, and what other advantages within that workflow do you really benefit from in your business?
Yeah, so the conditional logic is a good one, because depending on the text that we have with the different clients, you can skip certain stages within a process because those clients don't qualify, depending obviously with the rules that you've put in there. But the other side that I actually like is that the client can see the status of their job within our pipeline from their app on their side. So I'm not having clients calling the office saying, "Hey, where are you with this job?" or "Where are you with this work?" So it kind of works both ways for us in terms of sort of killing two birds with one stone. Yeah.
It's a fantastic segue, because we really view our workflow automation platforms and client portal experience as some of the core values that TaxDome can bring. So moving on to that client portal experience, what is your personal feedback? What's your client feedback with relation to that client portal space?
The client feedback has been a winner for most of our clients. I think, first of all, the app is easy to use. It's very intuitive. It's clean. It's not clunky or anything like that, and very responsive. So that's been really, really good for us. And what we have decided, I think for my practice, what we decided is just to do a bit of extensive maybe training or teaching clients that this is the route that we're going to have, or communications via the app, or document uploads via the app. It takes a bit of change in mindset, but once everyone buys into it, even the clients, they can see the benefits, because all their documents, they're there. They can see the status of their jobs. For like one-off jobs, they can see all the invoices. They can make a payment via the app. So a lot of things which clients can do via the portal or via the app, which has been really, really good for even us having to manage clients' communication in a way that is structured as well.
You talk about educating clients about, hey, we have a client portal, which also acts as a mobile application, giving you access to your documents and elements on the go, anywhere, anytime. We talk about the client approach to that client space. We also have a dedicated client help center, which highlights the steps for how to e-sign a document, how to access their documents. Is that an initiative that you've currently used with your clients, and what other resources and tools have helped you to bridge that gap?
Yeah, I think, first of all, in this world of multiple apps, you also have to give them a reason why they should be using the app. So in addition to that, obviously, the resources that TaxDome provide has been really good in terms of just basic videos. I think there's a 3-minute video that talks about what is the client portal and how to use it. That is a good starter for most of our clients. And then if they want to know some of the probably in-depth stuff that they can do, there's always a link that we send to them as well, where they'll be able to pull up some more information on that.
We talk a lot about the client mobile application. We also have a mobile application for firms, which enables you to follow up on your internal activities and essentially have an overview of your practice on the go, anywhere, anytime. Is that firm mobile app something that you also utilize in your business?
Yes, I use on the go all the time. I use it. I like it because in one go I can see exactly what's happening, the status of all the jobs, if there have been any documents that have been signed or anything that we are following up as well. And also if I've got stuff that I know that are on holiday or that are not in, I'll quickly just check most of the accounts just to make sure that there isn't any communication that is coming that is critical or that is probably time sensitive that we need to probably action. So I use it all the time, and also for quick chats with clients. So you can set up a chat straight from the mobile app and you'll be able to talk to clients.
And that chat works very similarly to an internal WhatsApp. Yes. However, it's more secure because it's on a white labeled, password protected client portal. Additional benefits from client tasks, automated reminders. With relation to your client communication, do you really feel since using TaxDome you've been able to be more efficient with clients?
Yeah, definitely. It's been really good because there are certain stuff that you don't need to probably drop a formal email for you to request your client. Maybe just a quick 2-line, hey, can you explain this or can you give us this? It's really helped us to do that. And also what I really love about the charts is you can put the charts, attach them to the job. So when you come to see every activity that's been happening with the job, you can see all the charts and everything as well. You can set up actions for clients to do at the back of a conversation in a chat, which has been really, really good because I think we started having some clients that wanted maybe WhatsApp numbers for their account managers. The problem is if the account manager is not in the business at that particular time, all the communication is lost, it's gone with them. But with the charts, we know everything we've got one source of truth, let's put it that way, which really helps as well.
I couldn't agree more. And those chats, even there's somewhat of a bit of an overlap with the workflow platform. As you mentioned with the client tasks, upon clicking and checking those client tasks off, that can act as a limiting factor for the client moving from one stage to another. So upon the client checking off a box, it could trigger a task to be created or a letter of engagement to be sent. Really, as it's so customizable, you choose the dependency that you're creating.
Depending on how you use it, yeah, definitely.
We talked about the client onboarding side and helping them become more to grips, more to terms with the client portal. In relation to your onboarding experience and your interactions with support, first, let's start with the onboarding. How was the onboarding process for you? What were some of the standout points and what support channels did you use?
With regards to our onboarding into using TaxDome, so I think our onboarding was really good. Great support, I think, from your team, even from the account manager, pretty much available when we wanted. They helped us to set up those initial pipelines because just to understand how the automations work, and we had to do a bit of work internally for streamline our processes so that when we get to that setting up, it was more straightforward. So I'll probably say, I think in terms of support, pretty much very, very good. And even now, we can call anytime and set up a meeting and we'll be able to go over any issues or any suggestions or some of the things that we have until I think recently now that you've got like a social hub where we can input our suggestions.
Exactly. That dedicated account manager is really important. With dedicated rep you can reach out to for questions, help you set up with the configuration of your account. It's really useful.
Yes.
Also, since we talked about workflow automations, we also have 13 different templates, which act as a foundation for you to then apply certain tweaks.
Yes.
It gives you a good foundation to build from. Did you utilize any of those templates and what's your initial feedback?
Yes, so we utilized some of the templates. I think for more of our bespoke processes, we had to create from scratch. But there were some templates, for example, like I think for the confirmation statement, we pretty much took it from the market and then just tweaked one or two things. It came with the emails and all the stuff that comes with it. It just meant less work for us to do, a little bit more. Pretty much get it on the go and then you'll be able to run with it.
You make a really interesting point. Because it is so customizable, we appreciate every business might have very bespoke flows or processes.
Yes.
But what our platform provides is a solution to add that customization and to create that personalized bespoke flow, which is a great advantage. I guess my last question is really around, well, we talked about the workflow platform, client portal. What other advantages do you feel like TaxDome has brought you in your business?
So I think from my business perspective, I think one of the things that we said, we wanted a single source of truth when it comes to client information and managing our practice. And I think that's the biggest advantage that TaxDome does for us, because you can do engagements in TaxDome, you can take payments in TaxDome, you can do all sorts of things that allows us, and I think the communication aspects, streamlining that so that we don't have communication going other way. You can pull emails, all those things just helps us to have a one-rounded view of the client. It helps us to make sure that we've got one source of truth. I think before that, we had spreadsheet where we would manage jobs, but also you still have got your CRM, and sometimes people are using the spreadsheet in the CRM. But now we use everything is in TaxDome. Another aspect that probably people don't talk about is the reporting aspect. So you can run reports within the system. You can see how much time certain jobs are taking. You can do quite a lot of things, and some of those reports you can customize your own report depending also on the text that you have and some of the things that you've or how you have set up the system yourself. So we think TaxDome has been a big game changer for us as a practice in terms of having that one source of truth, but at the same time all these other things that helps, especially around efficiencies and automating things without no need for manual intervention all the time for all the people in the practice.
We talk about having that one source of truth. We were even talking about before about the chats. Now we can link them to the job.
To a job,
the job template, the summary of all the activities and actions that have been currently created. So again, a great overview dashboard for a particular client.
Yeah.
And the AI reporting tool, another dashboard that's completely customizable, giving you the tools to really create reports that benefit you specifically in your business and practice.
Yes.
Really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us, Kudzi.
That's great.
Thanks
My
so much.
pleasure. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.